These images you are looking at right now were created by a newbie in Leonardo AI. You too can do it if you watch this video fully. It is not a complicated thing to learn.
Well, this is not
Promotional video.
I'm just sharing my
knowledge.
creators are.
Let's get into the video. In this video, we are going to see only about the homepage interface and the image creation feature. There are other multiple features which will be covered in next few videos. First, open Leonardo AI website. You need to sign in using Google. This is the homepage of this website. Here to the left side, you can see the tools available in this website, which is also given here too. Just on top of it, you can see your name and the number of tokens you can use daily. These are some guides given by Mr. JJ Fiasson, who is the founder of Leonardo AI. And down to that, you can see the creations made by others. Now let's see about the image creation option. When you open this, you can first see the number of tokens at the top over here. And to the right, we can see something named Legacy Mode, which is the first version of Leonardo AI. We will see everything in that, but in a separate video. Now let's see the workspace. This is where you enter your prompt, and when you click on this icon in here, you can choose the reference that you want to bring from one image to another image. Unfortunately, only image-to-image reference and style reference are only available for free users. Well, for free users can only access one reference at a time. Now I will show you how to use them both. First, style reference. This is where you copy the style of an image into another image of your own prompt. Now I'm selecting that option and I choose my reference image, then I enter a prompt and then I create the image. You can see that the style of the image is copied onto this image. Now the image-to-image reference. This is same as the previous one. Just choose the reference, select the reference image, and then type a prompt generate the image. Here you can see the reference between these two images. Well, this mode adds few objects or even remove the object from the reference image. This magical button would let you to play with the prompt. With this, you can improve the prompt or modify it with the help of AI. Now we enter into the main things which contribute to the image you are generating. First, you can see the model and presets. You can choose between these presets available here. But in legacy mode, there are more presets available. For the preset you choose, it automatically assigns the style and the contrast of the image. Also, you can change it based on your needs. For free users, you can only use the fast generation option. Here we can see the image dimensions and the number of images you can create, which is actually only for paid users. Free users cannot change the number of images generated. This will have an impact on the number of tokens used. In the advanced menu, you can choose between few other models. Negative prompt is basically the things that you don't want to appear in your image. The transparency button allows you to make the background transparent, like this. Tiling is useful when you need same background for the images. Further down, you can see the option where you can add the images to your own collection. Well, I haven't mentioned about few things, which will be covered in other videos. I hope you learned about this website. See you in another video.
Bye.